So today we'll be creating concentric circles in Adobe Illustrator. Open Illustrator, take a new file, click on OK, click on Polar Grid tool, click Release, here you can mention the number of circles you want. By default, we'll leave the settings as it is so that we can see the output. Here, as we have entered the number 50, the concentric dividers would be 50 and radial dividers would be 5. Click on OK. This is the output we get. Press Z for zoom tool. Click and drag. So this is the output we get. But we do not want these dividers. So let's delete this. Again we'll click on Polar Grid tool. Click Release. This time we'll enter the number of dividers 0. And we'll keep these settings as it is. Click on OK. So we get something like this. I'll press space bar and left mouse button, click and drag. Space bar plus left mouse button to pan. So we get this output. But these circles are not equally spaced. So we'll again delete this. Again we'll click on the Polar Grid tool and we'll see the options. In the options, in the skew option, the setting is 132% and it is set towards out. So you must have noticed that the circles are going towards outside. If we keep it inside and click on OK, we will get something like this. So this time what we are going to do is we'll keep it in the middle, 0, and rest of the settings we'll keep it as it is. Click on OK. So these are the concentric circles we get. Use zoom tool. This time we got the circles, but we cannot see any gap between these circles. So we can decrease the stroke size. Let's make it 0.25 and control minus, pan, control minus, and these are your concentric circles. So in the Polar Grid tool, simply enter the number of dividers for the concentric circles you want. And if you enter the radial dividers, it will give you the radial dividers also. But in this case, we do not want radial dividers, so we have entered 0. Thanks for watching.